I'm Hilly and I'm a textile artist. You join me today in the beautiful llanthony Valley in the Brecon National Park. And it's a beautiful autumn day. And I've come in search of autumn inspiration. I so love to come into the landscape with my loom, as for me personally it's the best way to sit and observe the wider landscape, and I can collect all the colours and the textures that I see not only in the wider landscape but also in the landscape as I walk through it, gathering with my gathering bag. And when I sit and do a little weaving with all the gatherings that I've collected on my walk, I do feel it is a true representation of that landscape and collecting the emotions of the landscape. Then I'll take that weaving back to the studio, and when I'm looking and thinking back to what inspired me in the landscape and why I want to use certain colours and textures within the cloth that I pick for the collection, I have my little weaving, which is almost like a weaving of emotions and memories of the landscape whilst I sat observing the colours, the textures, the beautiful blue skies, the filtered sunlight through the leaves, and even hearing the ravens cronking. It is most certainly a wonderful emotional conversation with the place. I would say that's probably a good 6-7 mile walk with quite a bit of elevation. Quite muddy, slippery trail, so you need a good pair of walking boots. And pick your day wisely, and you will be afforded with beautiful views for miles and miles. Glorious day.